Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us. Today we are not discussing a simple group of islands. We are examining Dokdo. Dokdo represents continuity, an unbroken chain of history, geography, and law. This is not a recent claim nor a political argument. It is a conclusion grounded in evidence. Overview: 4 pillars supporting one truth. To understand this issue fully, we must examine 4 pillars: history, geography, international law, and effective control today. Individually, each is compelling. Together, they lead to one clear conclusion. Pillar 1: historical evidence. A foundation in history. Let us begin with history. Korea's recognition and administration of Dokdo are not modern developments. They extend back more than 1,500 years. Across successive dynasties, Dokdo appears consistently in official records and surveys. This continuity matters. Sovereignty is defined by sustained recognition over time. Ancient records. The historical record is precise. In 512 AD, during the Silla dynasty, General Isabu incorporated Usan-guk into Korean territory. Usan-guk included both Ulungdo and Dokdo. Later, in 1454, the Sejong-silok Jiriji clearly recorded Dokdo's location east of Uljin, alongside Ulungdo. These were administrative descriptions, not symbolic references. Modern legal confirmation. This sovereignty was reaffirmed in the modern era. In 1900, the Korean Empire issued Imperial Ordinance No. 41. It defined Uldo County's jurisdiction to include Ulungdo and Seokdo, the historical name for Dokdo. This was a formal legal act, issued before any foreign claim. Japan's own records. Significantly, Japan's own records confirm this. In 1877, Japan's highest authority, the Dajokan, issued an official directive. After investigation, it concluded that Japan had nothing to do with Ulungdo and Dokdo. This was an official government statement, acknowledging Dokdo as foreign territory. Pillar 2: geographical proximity. The certainty of geography. The second pillar is geography. Territorial sovereignty often follows natural proximity and daily interaction. In this regard, the relationship between Dokdo and the Korean peninsula is unmistakable. Distance and visibility. Dokdo lies just 87.4 kilometers from Ulungdo and is visible on clear days. The nearest Japanese island is nearly twice as far, at 157.5 kilometers. Historically, this proximity placed Dokdo within the living sphere of Korean residents on Ulungdo. Geography here is lived reality. Pillar 3: international law. Post-war legal order. After World War II, the Allied powers redefined Japan's territorial limits. In 1946, Scapin 677 ordered Japan to cease authority over specific territories. These explicitly excluded Liancourt Rocks, Dokdo, along with Ulungdo and Jeju Island. Dokdo was placed outside Japanese administration. Treaty context. While the 1951 San Francisco Treaty did not list every minor island, declassified U.S. State Department documents provide clarity. They confirm that the United States recognized Dokdo as Korean territory during treaty preparations. The treaty's intent was consistent with Korean sovereignty. Pillar 4: effective control. Reality on the ground. Beyond history and law, there is present reality. South Korea exercises peaceful, continuous, and effective control over Dokdo. Administrative authority, law enforcement, and civilian presence are firmly established. In international practice, this matters. A conclusive case. Taken together, the evidence is cumulative. History, geography, international law, and modern administration all point to the same conclusion. Dokdo is and has always been Korean territory. This is not a belief, it is a fact. Thank you for your attention.